Hello everyone, let me introduce you our latest product, Eleplo. Eleplo is an application which can receive signals from beacons. As you can see, BB19U and BB17I have been received by Eleplo and showing on the page of Beacon Health bracelets. The signals are sent from the two bracelets we demonstrate today. There is Bluetooth MAC address for each bracelet. You can find the same address on your smartphone to make sure you connect with the right device. Data from bracelet also displays on your smartphone, such as steps, heart rate, calories, and battery status. You can monitor the health condition of the person who wears it through those data. Let's talk about other functions in Eleplo. iBeacon devices detection. We've set up two iBeacon devices. One is detectable type, one is portable type. The Bluetooth MAC address on iBeacon is matched on the screen. We can use iBeacon to do proactive or passive positioning. You can directly find the location on your smartphone. Beacon devices detection. This function is similar to iBeacon. We've set up some beacon devices around. The temperature sensor and beacon allows Eleplo displays accurate temperature, and there's other information for users. The final function is portable tag devices detection. The shape of devices are commonly seen in our daily life. They look exactly like key fobs for elevators. Eleplo has paired these two devices with the smartphone. While pressing the button, the requested signal is displayed on the screen. Each device has its own ways of sending requested signals. For this type of device, press once, one short press is displayed. Press twice, two short press is displayed. If pressed longer, long press is displayed. We can set different signal sending modes for different functions according to the customer's requirement. This technique can be applied to service bell, SOS system, and many related products. That's our demonstration for today. Thank you for your time.